The invincible spider slime has brought order to the city. Dr. Otto Octavius, don't even hope to defeat me. It serves you right, Sandman. You're gonna stay in here forever. Ha! You're not so scary anymore, Mr. Lizard. What's happening?
Hey, Sammy. Or should I say, Spider Sammy? Sammy? Hello? Are you there?
I'm scorching you with a contemptuous look. Is it not clear?
Sorry, buddy. It's just your mask. To put it mildly, it's not so functional. It's impossible to read your emotions.
Oh, why does this always happen to me?
Hey, don't be upset. I can definitely help you with something like a cool Spider-Man mask. Come on! Hi, guys. Check out what we have here.
Roger, you're trying to impress our viewers with a bunch of paper strips.
Very funny, Sam. Let's transfer them onto a thin cardboard. You're going to need a bit of patience, guys. But trust me, it's worth it.
While Roger's busy back there, take a second to subscribe to our channel, people.
All right, that step is done. Now a magic cut and... here is what we've got, guys. Great! We'll just fold each piece according to the cuts and secure them with some glue.
Let me help you with that, Raj.
Wait, don't use too much glue, Sam.
And done! Roger, it's your turn. Spray it all over.
Thanks, Sammy. Now this piece has its volume. Just like the rest of them. All we've left to do now is to put everything together. And this is how the frame of our mask should look.
I don't see how it's different from my mask, except that this one's bigger.
Now let's increase its durability. See, I'm gonna use some decoupage glue to cover it from both sides.
Okay, I can deal with that. Here we go. Actually, I can do that even faster. So what are we gonna do next, huh? I'm full of energy!
Sammy, be patient. Now we'll use some texture paste on our mask until it becomes nice and round. We might need to do multiple layers of it. And then we're going to work out the kinks using sandpaper.
Holy cannoli, I can't wait that long! Spider-Man needs his mask! Move aside, Raj!
Careful, Sammy! Now look, it'll have a couple of moving lenses.
In that case, Roger, we need to start working on the shutter mechanism!
I know! Sammy, could you cut the shutters according to these instructions?
Sure thing!
In the meantime, let's install the hinge point for the shutters. Be very careful at this stage.
I even applied some super glue around the openings so that they didn't expand over time.
Wow, that's very thoughtful of you. And now check this out. These pieces are gonna slightly close and then open again, like this, see? And here is what we've got. Looks good to me. Do you like it, guys?
Shiver me chatters if that doesn't look awesome. Roger, what's your favorite Spider-Man appearance of all time? Wow!
Well, that one was the most impressive.
Oh, it's not that easy.
And thank you for the fishing line, buddy. So, what were you saying?
I really like the No Way Home part where all 3 Spider-Man actors were featured.
That must have been fun. Guys, a piece of duct tape will come in handy here. Attach it right here. We should do the same with the bottom shutter on the other side.
What? Are you telling me that you haven't seen the 2021 Spidey story yet?
Nope, and no spoilers, please. Now we'll do this. That's better. Split a silicone tube into several small pieces.
Did you know that Peter Parker first time appeared in comic books 60 years ago?
And he's been in high school since then.
You know, sometimes even superheroes aren't the best role models, but I love them anyway.
Guys, check this out. If we pull the top shutter, the bottom one will move as well.
So is this just gonna happen manually?
Of course not. And that is why we'll use these little helpers. These are tiny magnets. First, we'll attach them to the mask.
Shiver me chatters. I think I know where this is going.
The magnets don't adhere well with plastic, so secure them properly.
Give a thumbs up if you like cool facts in our craft. Hey, Raj, how about a rubber band?
Thanks. It looks like you found the final piece for our closing mechanism, buddy.
Does our mask require some resistance effect?
That's right.
Haha.
Alright, now we need to make sure that everything holds tight.
Wait! We need a few sponges to leave a room between the mask and your face.
Thanks, Sam. One more addition and I'll be able to open and close lenses just by moving my jaw. And for that, we need just one mechanism. Oh great, that's exactly what I needed. Let's make some magic. Oh, and here it is. My magic really worked this time. Awesome!
Holy cannoli, it looks incredible! Guys, train your face muscles.
Trust me, it's easy to repeat this craft and become a superhero. Connect all the parts of the mechanism using a fishing line, and that's the way it works.
But guys, we can't just leave see-through openings here.
That's a good point. And that's why I prepared these in advance. We'll simply glue them in their places on the inside of our mask. Now we can remove these outer pieces and move on to the fabric part.
Whee! I love the decor part so much! Guys, stay tuned!
Alrighty, who's ready to see some cool magic tricks? Whoop! And this is just what we need.
It looks more like an elephant head to me.
Oh, but we won't leave it just like that. This puffy paint should make the webbing lines crack less over time. We'll simply apply it all over the fabric, this way. Now we can mark out the edges on the inner side. Care to help me, Sammy?
You know I'm kind of tired.
Did a radioactive spider bite you? Whoa!
Not funny, Roger. So not funny.
Anyway, basically all we've left to do is sew up our fabric mask. Hop! Come on. Hello? Guys, please just wait a bit. Oh. Ah, finally! I thought you got lost on your way back. Huh.
Hey, let's slide this over the mask already. I can't wait to play with it.
First, let's use the glue spray to make the mask a little bit sticky. We're almost there, Sammy. Just wait a bit and you'll be in awe. Let's use scissors to reveal the lenses. Cut. Don't be upset if the edges come out too messy. We need to cut all the pieces from poster board. Let me just do this. Here we go. Exactly what we needed.
Are we doing this to give volume to the lenses?
Exactly. Number one goes right here. Always try to work neatly, guys. It takes more time, but it's worth it.
Uh-huh. Can I quote you on that?
Quote me? Where? For what?
I'm writing an article for the Daily Slime.
This looks awesome! Great job, Sammy! You're the greatest magician of all.
I have to write that down too. Guys, what do you think about a pseudonym? Samuel Parker or Peter Slake Slime?
They both suit you. Anyway, do you want to take a special photo for the front page?
That's right! The mask is ready! Say slime!
Slime! Ah! Ugh! What is this? Did that thing bite me? Where am I? What's wrong? Oh no! What happened to me? What is this? Ah, what a crazy day. Ooh, I feel like I was in some crazy comic book. Really? Oh,
You got into my trap, silly Roger!
huh? What's happening? You've gotten yourself into a big trouble, Slime.
Ah! Oh no! He's the real Spider-Man! Ah!
Guys, we hoped you liked our craft today. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, guys.